This is something I've been wanting to do with her. I'm walking with her on me now. Oh, wow. Let's take a walk. Me and my pretty grouse are taking a walk. Oh, darn. Well, it's an accomplishment for sure.